Welcome to my channel. Mix vegetables. Heat half a cup of oil and golden brown the onion, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add 1 teaspoon garlic paste and 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, then chopped 1 large green chili. Add chopped tomatoes and fry lightly. Now add salt as you like, turmeric powder, coriander powder and stir-fry 2 minutes, and add chili flakes, then add red chili powder as much as you want. Add water little by little water and fry. Now add the slices of potatoes as well. Sauté carrots and cauliflower, and you should also cover them with a lid and soften a little. Finally add the green peas and pour little water so that they will soft. Add chopped green chili, green coriander leaves, and chopped ginger. Cover them again. Now take it out on a plate and serve it hot. Goodbye, see you soon, thanks for watching.